નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hi students, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. Now, in the last session, we have discussed with these questions. You have to write it by yourself. Let's see which are the questions. Can you understand the sound of some animals? Which animals? So you have to understand, यानी कि आपको सुनना है, and can you able to identify, right? So that is the thing. And which animals are they? You need to write it down by the identification of the sounds of the animals. Do some animals understand your language? Which ones? Right? So you need to answer this question also. Example I have done for you. I hope everybody has done. Okay, now let's start our this session. Can you able to see over here? Say it with sounds. Right. Now let's read. Just like birds and dolphins, you can also make your own language of sounds for giving messages. Right? जैसे कि birds and dolphins, they use their own languages. Like that only, we can also use our language to pass any message. Remember, you have to talk to your friend with only sounds and no words. Now, for this activity, first of all, you need to make a particular sound, that which sound you are going to use as a particular symbol or a particular message, right? And then only you can converse with the sound language. यानी कि आप sound की language तभी बोल सकते हो जब आप तय करोगे कि ये मैसेज के लिए मैं ये साउंड करूँगा या करूँगी, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, व्हेन द क्लास टीचर इज़ कमिंग टू द क्लासरूम. ओ, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी निशानी होती है. जब भी कोई क्लास टीचर क्लासरूम में आता है तो एवरीबडी व्हाट दे सेज, कम ऑन अलर्ट, मैडम इज कमिंग, मैडम इज कमिंग, राइट? सो इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो मेक अ particular sound so that everybody can come to know. Okay, so this is the fun activity, but please don't follow this, okay, in the classrooms. Now let's see. Sleeping, walking. Can you able to see the picture of this? What is the picture of? Yeah, lizard. I am very scared of the lizard. Some animals go into a long deep sleep in certain seasons. You know, deep sleep यानी कि long sleep यानी कि it is not like that 24 hours, 12 hours, maybe it is very very long in certain seasons only, right? ऐसा नहीं होता है कि पूरी वक्त कुंभकर्ण की तरह सोते ही रहते हो. It is not like that. It is in particular seasons some animals go into a long deep sleep. Then they are not seen for many months, right? ऐसे कई होते हैं जो कई महीने, कई मंथ्स तक दिखाई नहीं देते हैं. Have you noticed that during the cold season you cannot see any lizard in the house? Where do you think they have gone? Have you ever noticed in this season now onwards, when the winter starts, the lizards they are not seen. They becomes Mr. India, right? दिस इज़ फन. द मैंने जो पर्टिकुलर मिस्टर इंडिया वर्ड यूज़ किया है वो तो ऐसे ही मजाक के लिए यूज़ किया है, बट दे आर नॉट सीन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम इन द विंटर सीजन्स, राइट? जब भी सर्दियाँ होती है तब यू कैन नॉट सी लिजर्ड्स इन द हाउस. सो जस्ट थिंक, वेयर डू दे गो? They just have a long deep sleep, right? Now this is for teacher's note, right? The lesson gives example of several animals with sensitive senses, and so मैं ये डिस्कस जब फेस टू फेस होते हैं तब कर सकती हूँ, बट स्टिल वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस दैट सेंसिटिव सेंसेस लाइक डॉग, दे हैव गॉट सेंसिटिव ईयर्स, right? So these are the sensitive senses, right? Let's go for the further session. Sloth. So this is the information given about the sloth, right? Now it looks like a bear but is not. वो bear की तरह दिखता है but it is not the bear, right? But what is it? It is a sloth. ये bear की तरह दिखता है पर इसको sloth बोलते हैं. It is somewhat difference in color also. It spends almost 17 hours a day sleeping. वो कितना घंटा सोता है? 17 hours, 17 घंटा it takes to sleep, while hanging upside down on a tree branches. यानी कि कैसे सोता है? hanging upside down, यानी कि उल्टा, right? कहाँ पे? on a tree branch, right? The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree. Now where the sloth is hanging itself, it eats the leaves of the same tree, right? On which it lives. मैंने अभी बताया ना, जहाँ पे वो हैंग होता है, जहाँ पे वो सोता है, वही के ट्रीज के लीव्स वो खाता है. It hardly needs anything else. बस उसको उससे ही पेट भर जाता है, ट्रीज के लीव्स से. When it has eaten enough leaves from that tree, अभी वो enough leaves खा लेता है, then obviously it is going to move. It moves to the nearby tree. Now this is very common कि अगर वही के पत्ते सारे उसने ख़त्म कर लिए, राइट? सारे यानी कि बहुत सारे, ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा पेड़ खाली कर दिया, बट एट सम लेवल उसने अगर खा लिया तो इट चेंजेस इट्स ट्री, right? Nearby tree. Okay, I hope everybody understand this passage. What is that? The sloth, it looks like bear and it spends almost 17 hours a day in sleeping. And how it sleeps? Hanging upside to down. And where? On the tree branch, right? And what it eats? It eats the leaves of the same tree where it is hanging, where they lives. And hardly they needs anything because the food of the sloth is leaves. And when it is finished or enough leaves are not there, then it moves to the nearby tree. Let's see further. Sloth live for about 40 years. यानी कि उसकी आयुष्य बोलते हैं ना हम, वो कितनी होती है? 40 years. And in that time they move around only 8 trees. Just imagine, in 40 years they just move for 8 times, यानी कि 8 trees को ही move करते हैं. Once a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself. Oh my God, think, इस लॉकडाउन में आपको इतना घर पे रहना पड़ा तो you just get frustrated, right? But think about the sloth. It comes once a week. वीक में एक ही बार बाहर निकलता है, राइट? नीचे आता है यानी कि बाहर निकलता है, यानी कि फ्रॉम द ट्री टू रिलीव इटसेल्फ. जस्ट इमेजिन, अभी आपकी मम्मा आपको बोल रही होंगी, बेटा इट इज़ नॉट सेफ, जस्ट डोंट गो आउटसाइड. स्टिल यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग, राइट? बट नाउ just imagine you are sloth and don't go outside. Once a week is allowed, otherwise not, right? So I hope everybody understand about the sloth. You can see the picture over here of the sloth. So can you able to see a pie chart over here? This is called a pie chart where it indicates some graphic signals, right? जैसे कि ये पाई चार्ट के थ्रू हम देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे पाई चार्ट किस लिए यूज़ किया है? स्लीपिंग टाइम फॉर स्लॉथ. सो स्लीपिंग टाइम के लिए पाई चार्ट यूज़ किया गया है. देखो यहाँ पे भी, राइट? लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन द पाई चार्ट. स्लीपिंग टाइम फॉर स्लॉथ. नाउ ये जो स्लीपिंग टाइम है स्लॉथ का, यहाँ पे पाई चार्ट के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन किया गया है तो हम ईजीली देख सकते हैं. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द क्लॉक. 24 आवर्स यहाँ पे ख़त्म हो जाते हैं हमारे पूरे दिन के, राइट? सो स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 6 आवर्स, 12 आवर्स, 18 आवर्स एंड 24 आवर्स, राइट? सो दिस इज़ द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द स्लीपिंग टाइम ऑफ फॉर स्लॉथ. थ्रू द शेडेड पार्ट you can come to know, ये जो shaded part है, right, you can come to know that how long the sloth sleeps. So यहाँ पे आपने पढ़ा कि 17 hours a day, right? Sloth कितना सोता है? 17 hours a day. So over here the shaded part is done in 17 hours. Now just imagine, how will you show the clock for a house lizard in winters? Do you know in winters, अभी हमने पढ़ा कि winters में क्या होता है? Lizard, this season the lizards go to the long deep sleep, right? In certain seasons like winter, lizard यहाँ पे देखा आपने? So यहाँ पे पूरा shaded part आएगा, right? Because वो तो पूरा time winter में यहाँ specific किया है winters, right? Over here it is specified that lizard का winter time में sleeping hours कौन से है? So the whole portion should be shaded. Now according to this, some other charts are given for the other animals, different animals. Let's have a look. Given here is the sleeping time of some animals. यहाँ पे पाई चार्ट के शेडेड थ्रू पोर्शन में आपको एनिमल्स के स्लीपिंग टाइम दिए गए हैं. Write below each picture for how many hours a day that animal sleeps. So according to this picture, we have to identify, we have to write down how many hours these animals sleep. Let's go with the first portion. Cow. Can you able to see the shaded portion over here? So cow sleeps for 4 hours, right? Now guess how I can come to know 4 hours. Can you able to guess? यहाँ पे 24 थे, यहाँ पे 6, 12 and 18. So just note 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? 6 हुए, यहाँ पे 6 hours. Then 2 plus 2 plus 2, 12. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 18. यानी कि 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So फर्स्ट पोर्शन, ये जो लाइन वाला पोर्शन है वो कितना है? 2 आवर्स का. सो 2 plus 2 यानी कि 4 hours. नाउ आई थिंक एवरीबडी कैन एबल टू गेस दीज पोर्शंस. गिव द आंसर्स फॉर पाइथन. हाउ लॉन्ग द पाइथन स्लीप्स? 2 plus 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 2. So Python sleeps for 18 hours, right? Now let's see how long the giraffe sleeps. Giraffe sleeps for 2 hours because only one shaded portion is there. And at last, let's see for the cat. Cat sleeps for 12 hours. देखो मैंने ये इसके हिसाब से यहाँ पे hours दिए गए हैं. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to write it down. यहाँ पे 24, 6, 12 and 18. So it makes easy for you, right? Still, if you are not able to get it, then you can also do यहाँ पे 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 ऐसे कर सकते हो. So it can be more easy for you. Let's see. When you see different animals, do you have any questions about them? यानी कि जब भी हम कोई भी different animals को देखते हैं, any type of question does it raise in your mind? Yes, every time certain questions raises when you see the different types of animals, यानी कि different animals. Now what you have to do in homework? You have to list 10 of such questions, right? 10 of such questions you have to list it down. Okay, so this is your homework. Now you can, right now it is not possible to discuss such this thing, but you just list down the questions. Whenever we will meet, we will discuss these answers. Okay, I hope everybody understand this clock system, right? And everybody will be able to do this part. Okay, in next session we are going to study this portion. Thank you for joining us.